Hi sir. Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir, yesterday I was studying surface area volume. I got frustrated with so many formulas, sir. What to do, sir? Please tell us.
You know what? Not only you, but many students are struggling with the same problem. But what if I tell you that just by using one formula of curved surface area, you can derive the formula for all three shapes, cube, cuboid and cylinder? What if the same thing happens for total surface area as well as the volume? You know, we can categorize these shapes into a particular category called prism. Prism is something which has the same top and bottom surface, right? So if you see your cube, which is we call square prism, right? It has the same top and the same bottom. Similarly, the rectangular prism, that's your cuboid, absolutely. And cylinder. Technically, cylinder is not a prism, but actually to remember the formulas and to understand, we can categorize it also in a prism, right? Now, for any prism, if I talk about, the curved surface area is actually equal to CSA, right? That is equal to perimeter of base times height. Similarly, if I talk about the total surface area, right? Now, I think you know this, right? That the curved surface area is the area of the other faces except your top and the bottom, right? And in all these three shapes, you have one top and one bottom, right? So to reach to total surface area from the curved surface area, what you wanna do? In the curved surface area, you add 2 times area of the base, right? Because here you have one bottom surface and one top surface, both of them exactly identical, right? And if I talk about the volume is area of base into height. Yes, now by you yourself using these three formulas can derive the curved surface area, total surface area and volume of these three shapes. Okay, you want to see the magic? Okay, let me show it to you. Let's talk about this shape. This is called the cylinder, right? Okay, I don't know the curved surface area. Let me try to derive it. So as I just discussed with you, the curved surface area is perimeter of base times height. Okay, here in the base you have a circle, right? The perimeter is 2 pi r. So perimeter of base is 2 pi r. If I multiply it by height, I'll get 2 pi r h. Isn't that is the curved surface area you have learned or you are trying to learn in the shape of cylinder? Okay, if I talk about the total surface area, as I just discussed with you, that in the curved surface area add 2 times area of the base. Okay, so 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, because pi r square is the area of the base. I'm adding it 2 times. This is not something what you have seen in your textbooks. Oh, I got what you're talking about here. So basically in your textbook you will see something like this. It is the same actually. You will take 2 pi r comma and you will write it as h plus r. Okay, that's fine. Similarly, if I talk about, let's take one more shape. Let's talk about the cuboid, right? In the base of the cuboid is a rectangle, right? Okay. If I talk about the curved surface area of the cuboid, in the base, as I said, it's a rectangle. The length is L and the width is B. So what is the perimeter of the base? It's 2 times L plus B. If I multiply it by height, I'll get this. And that is the CSA or the curved surface area of a cuboid. Volume, again at the base what you have a rectangle. The area of base is L into B. To multiply it by height, you will get L into B into H, right? So I hope now you have understood this small trick and now you can actually very easily learn formulas for all of these shapes, right? Okay. So guys, it's a very easy thing. In fact, you can do the same thing for the cone as well because it can be categorized under the category of pyramid, right? Okay, for more kind of these videos, you can subscribe to this channel. I am Deepak Shrangi and I am academic head and mathematics educator at askiitians. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Thank you.